Cellular respiration, cellular respiration. It's a four-step process that starts off with glycolysis. Hexokinase can transfer a phosphate group from ATP to be added to glucose so it can make its isomer. Another phosphate gets added, energy investment, and then the molecule splits into two new parts. A dehydrogenase then adds two more phosphates, and then our first NADH gets formed. Two ATP end up formed from the different molecules. Then the last phosphate ends up moved. Before the end, some water forms a molecule called PEP creates, and the last two ATP wind up made. Now we have 2 pyruvate and 4 ATP, 2 water, 2 NADH, and 2 H plus ions. The link reaction. Don't take IB Bio, please take AP Chem instead. Please don't take IB Bio, IB stinks. Please don't take it, IB Bio really stinks. Do not take IB Bio. This is my warning. Pyruvate enters the link and 2 CO2 are formed, along with NADH and acetyl-CoA. The acetyl-CoA hits Krebs, which turns it to citrate, and then isocytriate because of water. It's then oxidized to form NADH, and CO2 comes off too, and then the same thing happens yet again. COAs displace a phosphate GDP to GTP and makes ADP go to ATP. 2 H ions make FADH2 and some water's added, and an NADH makes an oxaloacetate. That was Krebs. I don't really have a chorus to this sinking song that I wrote, so I'm sorry people. I kind of just made this up as I go along. There's 32 ATP formed in this kind of reaction. The ETC is basic, just electrons moving down from NADH and FADH2. They're carried by molecules called cytochromes, and they end up making water. Meanwhile, H is in the membrane space. Go into a molecule called ATP synthase. They go into a strator and then a rotor and end up spinning round to make energy for ATP chemioosmosis. That was my song on cellular respiration. I hope you enjoyed that. But if you didn't, I'm pretty sorry for you. I shouldn't have written this song then. I guess please don't hate me.